Lights, camera, earnings. Adobe just dropped a Q3 FY 2025 bombshell, and it's a box office smash. The creative tech juggernaut hauled in $5.41 billion in revenue, up a slick 10% year over year, sneaking past Wall Street's $5.37 billion bet. Non-GAAP EPS, a jaw-dropping $4.65, crushing the $4.53 forecast and leaping 11% from last year. That's 9 quarters in a row of leaving analysts in the dust. Cue the AI spotlight. Adobe's leaning hard into its AI blockbuster with Firefly and Acrobat, AI assistant stealing scenes. The digital media segment, think Creative Cloud and Document Cloud, surged 11% to $4.36 billion, with annual recurring revenue hitting a dazzling $18.59 billion, up 12% year over year. The digital experience segment, powering enterprise magic, climbed 9% to $1.37 billion, with subscriptions popping 11% to $1.33 billion. Over 700 million monthly active users are vibing with Acrobat and Express, and Firefly's paid subscriptions nearly doubled. Generative AI usage in Acrobat and Express skyrocketed 3 times year over year, and Adobe's AI-first ARR is blazing past its $250 million target. This is AI with star power. Future's looking Oscar-worthy. Adobe raised its FY 2025 game plan, now eyeing $21.55 to $21.65 billion in revenue, up from $21.40 to $21.50 billion, and non-GAAP EPS of $18.34 to $18.44, from $18 to $18.20. Q4 script calls for $5.66 to $5.71 in revenue and $4.88 to $4.93 EPS, both outshining Wall Street's guesses. Remaining performance obligations jumped 13% to $20.44 billion, screaming future revenue. Oh, and Adobe's got cash flow swagger, $2.2 billion in operating cash flow and 8 million shares repurchased. Talk about a power move. Stock's ready for its close-up. Adobe's shares sizzled 3% after hours on September 11, 2025, from a $345.63 close, and despite a rough year, down 20% YTD and 40% from its peak. The market's buzzing after a $236 billion to $145 billion market cap slide over 5 years, even with 80% gross profit growth and doubled free cash flow. This AI-driven beat might just be Adobe's redemption arc. Wall Street's standing ovation. Analysts are hyped, slapping a moderate buy rating with a $480 price target, ranging $280 to $605 from 51 pros, hinting at a 40% upside. Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs are chanting $500 plus, while Oppenheimer's $460 cut flags AI monetization lag. Adobe's forward PE of 17